Welcome to Vox Weather. Let's quickly start by flying abroad to the Northern Hemisphere, where hurricane season is in full swing. And at the moment, Category 4 Hurricane Ian is slamming the coast of Florida with gale force winds and heavy downpours, where storm surge will be a huge risk for the coastal areas the next few days. But back in our own tropical cyclone basin, the first named storm strengthened very far away from South Africa, but actually strengthened into a tropical storm on a Tuesday and is quickly starting to fade away as it moves over cooler ocean waters. But this is still premature for disturbances to actually reach a tropical storm strength this time of the year. So I think we're in for a very interesting tropical cyclone season. But what's the weather looking like over South Africa Thursday? Let's see. This Thursday, we still have that trough extending over the interior of South Africa, with isolated thunderstorms expected in a band from the Northern Cape, reaching the Eastern Cape and expected to move over the Wild Coast, also reaching the western parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Only isolated storms are likely over parts of the Karoo and parts of the Eastern Cape. Most of the storms are moving over the eastern areas in this area, over the Wild Coast, as well as the northeastern parts. The South African Weather Service has issued a level 2 yellow warning for the possibility of severe thunderstorms, which could lead to damage in winds and heavy downpours. For the rest of South Africa, we're expecting drizzle at first along the eastern escarpment, partly cloudy skies in the Western Cape, a southeast expected in Cape Town from late afternoon with 22 degrees, warming up over the interior with temperatures in the mid-20s, heating up to 30 degrees in Laingsburg, becoming partly cloudy with a band of isolated thunderstorms expected to move over parts of the Karoo on a Thursday, reaching the Eastern Cape. We're expecting isolated thunderstorms over the interior, and then storms will become scattered over the northeastern parts. We do have that level 2 yellow warning in place for severe thunderstorms. Showers and thunderstorms also expected to move over the Wild Coast, which could lead to damage in winds and heavy downpours in places. Winds then turning northeasterly for the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. A few storms are likely to reach the extreme western and northern areas. Sunny and hot in Newcastle, Ladysmith, with temperatures reaching 30 degrees. It's cloudy at first in the low velds, but heating up the afternoon with 30 degrees in Skukuza, a sunny day for the high velds. Cloudy at first with drizzle along the eastern escarpment in Limpopo, partly cloudy skies late 27 in Tzaneen, and temperatures soaring above 30 degrees in the Bushveld. It's another very warm and dry day for Northwest, where the South African Weather Service is warning against runaway fires. In the Northern Cape, winds picking up, becoming partly cloudy, a band of isolated thunderstorms stretching from Namibia. Most of the storms expected to move over parts of the Karoo and expected to become isolated over to 𝐅𝐈𝐑𝐒. A few storms will reach the southern parts of the Free State. Sunny, hot and dry over the rest of the province, 30 degrees in Bloemfontein. It's another sunny and dry day for Gauteng, heating up to 29 degrees in Pretoria. And then into Friday, a few more isolated showers expected in the Eastern Cape and storms reaching the southern parts of KwaZulu-Natal as well as Durban. Partly cloudy along the coast, and this weekend, hot over eastern South Africa. The mercury soaring to 32 degrees in Johannesburg and 34 in Mahikeng. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.